Number 1. 1995 Ford F250, price $9,500, solid and dependable heavy-duty pickup equipped with the highly regarded 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine. It is paired with an automatic transmission and features a two-wheel drive setup, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The truck has 206,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for its next owner. Finished in classic white with a tan interior, this F250 maintains a timeless and clean appearance. As a diesel-powered truck, it is well suited for towing, hauling, or daily work use. Several recent maintenance updates have been completed, including new tires, a new fuel tank, new glow plugs, a new glow plug relay, and a new water pump. These improvements enhance reliability and ensure the truck is ready to perform. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has 168,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission and a 5.7L Vortec V8 engine. This silver 4x4 pickup with a gray interior runs on gasoline and has always been garage-kept with no hail damage. It has consistently received 3,000-mile oil changes and regular maintenance, and it has been kept very clean inside and out. The truck also features a newer radio and premium seat covers that have protected the original seats since early ownership. Notable upgrades include bushwalker fender flares in 2010, a headlight upgrade in 2011, custom seat covers in 2013, a new radiator in 2014, new cap and rotor kit with spark plugs and wires in 2015, a new serpentine belt in 2022, and a new water pump and thermostat in 2024. Number 3. 1970 Ford F250, price $9,800, classic pickup showing 83,000 miles and equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in silver with a red interior, this gasoline-powered truck features a single fuel tank mounted behind the seat. The truck is reported to be in good working condition, with all lights functioning properly. 2 years ago, it received several updates, including a rebuilt carburetor, new front suspension components, and steering bushings, helping improve overall drivability. During the same period, a retro-style radio with Bluetooth capability was installed, along with a dual-speaker conversion in the dashboard for enhanced audio quality. Additionally, the truck has been wired with a trailer brake controller, although its current functionality is unconfirmed as it has not been used by the present owner. Overall, this F250 presents as a well-maintained classic with tasteful upgrades that blend vintage character and modern convenience. Number 4. 1992 Dodge D350, price $7,000, solid classic diesel truck that remains clean for its age. It features an automatic transmission, white exterior, and burgundy interior. The diesel engine runs excellent, and the transmission includes an overdrive switch for better highway driving. The truck appears well equipped for towing, with tow bags and a setup for a fifth wheel. It also includes a Banks intercooler, aftermarket gauges, transmission cooler, deep transmission pan, and an exhaust brake, not currently hooked up. Power windows, locks, and mirrors add convenience, and the tires are in great shape. Previous upgrades suggest it was well cared for and thoughtfully modified. It does need some rust repair on the rockers and driver's floorboard, has slight steering wheel play, and the speedometer is not working. With a little attention, it could become a very capable and reliable rig. Number 5. 1969 Ford F100, price $6,800, showing 80,000 miles. Finished in green with a black interior and powered by a gasoline engine. It comes factory equipped with a 360 big block V8 paired to a C6 automatic transmission. The truck starts right up with a strong, fully charged battery, although it has not been driven on the road for some time. It has received several recent updates, including newer tires, stainless steel brake lines, a new radiator, a new master cylinder, and a recent tune-up. Overall, it needs very little to become a solid and reliable driver. The vehicle remains very complete and largely original, with the exception of a 1972 F100 grille that has been installed. It also features excellent cab mounts, adding to its structural integrity and appeal as a well-preserved classic. Number 6. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500. It has 148,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, burgundy exterior, and gray interior. It runs on gasoline and has been extensively maintained. Recent engine service includes a new timing chain and gears, water pump, EGR valve, and multiple gaskets. Key sensors such as the map sensor, O2 sensor, coolant temperature sensor, and ECM/PROM chip have been replaced. The fuel and ignition systems have also been refreshed, including the fuel pump, injectors, throttle body, ignition control module, distributor, spark plugs, and wires. It rides on BFG 265/75/16 tires and has updated brakes, Bilstein shocks, and several front-end suspension components, ensuring solid performance and handling. Number 7. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,450, showing 189,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, both of which are reported to be in good working condition. The truck runs and drives very well, delivering dependable performance on the road. It comes with a clean title, providing added peace of mind for the next owner. This example features a classic green exterior complemented by a beige interior, giving it a timeless and well-balanced look. The tires are in good condition, making it ready for daily driving or light-duty work. Mechanically, the engine and transmission perform properly, and the truck is described as operating smoothly overall. Cosmetically, there are only minor aesthetic imperfections, including some paint wear and small interior details that are consistent with the vehicle's age. Number 8. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,650. It is powered by a 318 V8 engine paired with an overdrive automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a striking red exterior matched with a red interior. This example has been lowered with 3-inch drop springs in the front and a 4-inch drop in the rear using shackles and hangers, giving it a clean stance. It sits on brand new 20-inch staggered torque thrust wheels wrapped in new tires, enhancing both appearance and road presence. The engine runs excellent, quiet and smooth, while the transmission shifts firm and crisp. It drives great overall and would make an amazing daily driver. All major functions are in working order, including heat, air conditioning, wipers, lights, and cruise control. The truck is rust-free with a solid body, though it does have several dents and dings consistent with age. It comes with a clean title. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior paired with a red interior, and runs on gasoline. This classic pickup has been upgraded with a 327 engine sourced from a late 1960s Corvette, giving it strong performance and a distinctive sound. It features Hedman long tube headers, an aftermarket muffler, a new alternator, new starter, and a new battery. All gauges are fully functional. For audio, the truck is fitted with Boss Audio 4-inch speakers in the doors along with a Boss Audio head unit. It rides on 1980s-style silver dollar rims that remain in good condition for their age, wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires with less than 500 miles. Overall, the truck runs and drives well, making it a solid and eye-catching classic pickup. Number 10. 1993 Ford F250, price $3,700, classic pickup with 168,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with a clean title and is powered by a strong 460 gasoline engine paired with a ZF5 manual transmission, offering reliable performance and a true heavy-duty driving experience. This truck features a brown exterior and has been well maintained, including a recently replaced clutch, a new battery, a new radiator, and a fresh oil change. It runs and drives great, making it an excellent choice as a first vehicle or a dependable daily driver. While the truck is mechanically sound overall, it does have a minor oil leak that appears to be coming from the valve cover gasket. Additionally, the rear fuel tank is currently not operational due to a faulty fuel pump.